Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will study about why sound needs a medium for propagation. Means there should be a medium from which sound can travel. Okay, so I will give you some examples from which I will show that how sounds need a medium. Okay, there is a person P with a glass in his hand. This is a glass, and there is another person P. He is Q. Okay, and here is a glass in his hand, and both the glasses are tied with the thread. This is a glass, okay, and a thread. I hope you guys have means played this type of did this type of activities in your childhood. Okay, so and when a person P speaks some words or something in the glass at his hand, how the other person is able to listen that what the person P said to him. Okay, so this is how, and in this case the thread acts as a medium. Okay, now let me give you one more example. This is a water tub and water is filled. Okay, let's say person P is listening to this, and with the hand he is holding a like, let's say, bell inside. Let's say he is holding a bell inside. Okay, so and whenever he shake his hand, so the bell will start moving and it will produce a sound. So how this person will able to judge that the sound is produced by the bell? So it requires a medium, and the medium here is water. Okay, let's say, let me give you more examples how sounds travel through a medium. Let's say this is a big road, or you can simply take the example of a train coming on a, this is a train, and these are the two iron rods on which train is traveling. Okay, so if you are still not able to see the train it is coming, a person can judge by putting his ear on the one of the iron rod. So he will listen a sound that the train is coming, because a vibration will be there in the iron rod, and from which he can deduce that train is coming. Okay, so students, I hope you guys are pretty clear about how sounds need a medium. Okay, and if it is a vacuum, in vacuum means no medium, no sound can be here. Okay, whenever an astronaut goes in space where there is no medium, okay, or a vacuum is there, so if two astronauts taught there, they will not be able to listen to each other, because sounds always need a medium to travel. Okay students, I hope you are pretty clear about why sounds need a medium, and if there is a question comes in exam, what is a vacuum or what is a medium, then you can write, I hope. Okay, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then please do comment in the comment section students. I will be happy to help you guys there. Okay, and happy learning students. Download the app of Scholars Learning from App Store or Play Store. Thank you. God bless.